Yo, what's good, guys? It's your boy 13 from 13.com, and I'm on a mission to educate musicians all around the world to create professional audio that they really love. I do this through audio tutorials, vocal tutorials, and coaching, and I'm a professional producer, rapper, and singer. So, guys, in this video today, I'm going to show you how to get the hotline effect, the telephone effect, kind of thing. So, I created this effect called phone sex. It's on my website 13.com. I'm going to show you how I get that exact effect. So I've got this instrumental here. Some of you may know it. It's Pretty Ricky's on the hotline. I love this vocal. So on the first verse, I think Baby Blue wraps his whole vocal in a telephone effect. So I'm gonna go ahead and mimic that for the purpose of the effect, not the actual lyrics and delivery. Call the phone on, cause I'm all alone, lusting for ya. I bet it, but it's stone, lusting for ya. And you the type, and burning but the bones on. I take them granny panties off and put a thong on. Cause I love the way you on, the way you turn it on and turning the boy on. Best to sense in the sheets, to breaking the bone sleeves and loving the gold sleeves. I beg you to bread and predict you ride it like the doors. Are you the type to run and ride it like a pause? So now I'm about to merge your mind space. Now I'm about to fly you out the mind space in the morning. Okay, so now what I do is I'm gonna drag that down to my phone sex vocal preset and press play. Hear how it sounds. Call the phone on, cause I'm all alone, lusting for ya. I bet it, but it's stone, lusting for ya. Are you the type, and burning but the bones on? I take them granny panties off and put a thong on. Cause I love the way you on, the way you turn it on and turning the boy on. Best to sense in the sheets, to breaking the bone sleeves and loving the gold sleeves. I beg you to bread and predict you ride it like the doors. Are you the type to run and ride it like a pause? So now I'm about to merge your mind space. Now I'm about to fly you out the mind space in the morning. So there you go. Obviously, I got a lot of the words wrong. I'm mumble rapping, but you get the point. I like this effect because it's got a real depth to it. It really compresses the vocals. It doesn't allow the vocals to get too wild. Like if I take off the compressors, you hear the difference. Like call the phone on, cause I'm all alone, lusting for ya. I bet it, but it's stone, lusting. Like it sounds empty, like something's missing, but the compressors really squeeze it together along with the spread, really creating a tightness together. So to get this effect, use a phaser, I use a DSR, I use a spread, I use a channel EQ and two compressors. Sometimes I have the EQ on, sometimes I take it off depending on how the beat is. If the beat's quite loud and in your face, I'll turn it on. If it's quite relaxed and soft, then I'll take it off. It's your choice. So those are the effects that I use on this to get the telephone effect. If you want the telephone effect, you can just apply these same effects to your vocals to get the same. If you're a beginner mixing, you could check out some of my courses where I actually go into depth of the actual effects that I use and how I tweak them. Or you could just go to my website and download the actual preset, slap it onto your effect. It will come in this form. You slap it onto your vocal and voila, you're done. Like I say in all my videos, it's took me 15 years to learn how to mix. I didn't go to college or university. I learned how to mix just based off of my experience and how I wanted to sound. And now I'm sharing my presets and tools with the world. So enjoy. Head over to my website, subscribe, follow me on Instagram at 13, and I'll see you in the next videos, guys. Peace.